close now.
Wink. Let's go. I love you.
Con.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Hairclippers, and it's another episode of a haircut tutorial. And today we got Musab on the chair. He's from Ethiopia, and ladies, watch out. I know he's good looking, but don't get too excited yet. But without further ado, let's get started. So Musab told me that his hair on top of his hair is too fluffy and it's too moisty, so it's kind of annoying during the summer, so he wants to get rid of it. So I'm just gonna shave off his hair with number 4 guard, lever all the way closed, just going around his hair. What I'm paying attention to right now is that I'm going back and forth to make sure no hair is sticking out, the hair is evenly shaved. I don't want to leave any uneven hair length on top of his hair. Now after I'm done with this process, as usual, I'm going back to no guard, level all the way closed, and I'm creating my first guideline using Keme 1987. And this time I'm starting my first guideline a little bit lower than usual, so it doesn't go too high above the fade. And notice how I'm dropping guideline to the back of his hair, so this is kind of like a drop mid fade. By the way, I'm planning to upload Q&A videos on YouTube very soon. So if you have any questions regarding myself or anything regarding to YouTube or anything regarding to the haircut, just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer those questions. Okay, so open up the lever all the way and go up and create your second guideline about 1.5 inches. So I'm trying my best to keep the length consistent in this process. And sometimes, like when you create your second guideline with lever all the way open, you don't really see the line from the first guideline. Like in this case, right now, I don't really see like a distinctive line from the first guideline. But still, I just go back and close up the lever and flick out just to clean up and blend in the lines. Okay, put your number 1 guard and open up your lever and go up and create your third guideline around his hair. Switch to a half guard and lever all the way closed and go up and attack that line. I usually open up the lever just halfway as I go up so it doesn't create a too harsh of a line. And I'm using number 2 guard lever all the way close to flick out that line to blend in, fade into the hair on top. Go ahead and put 1.5 guard and try to blend as much as possible. Okay, even after this process, there's still some line or dark spot left. So that's why I'm going back to number 1 guard, level all the way open. And I'm gonna flick out using the corner of my blades to kind of like tap that line to blend in even better. Alright, YouTube, what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think about this haircut and just give me any feedback. And also don't forget to leave a question down below and I'll be willing to answer them in the next few videos.